Hey guys, welcome back to Detroit Garage. Got the Super Ford in here. It's a 2009 Ford F350, and I'm just replacing the track bar bushing and the ball joint. Developed a bit of steering play a month or so ago, and then my last trip I got the Death Wobble.
Before that, I played Kiss, and actually the first time I ever saw the New Jean concert was when he opened for Kiss.
Sounds like better?
No, that's fine. We're gonna fix the bushing and replace some other components, tie rod ends. But today I'm replacing this bushing here. It's the guilty party. I tested the steering damper, that's fine. And then I've got some tie rod ends and the draglink bits I've got to change as well. So this is new, but there's already a bit of play in this. It was a Chinese unit, so I'll replace it with Moog, and this one here has to be replaced. So I'm going to knock this bushing out, ball joint, take that out, and then replace it. Well, I got that track bar out, guys. I'll tell you what, that was not easy. What should have taken 10 minutes took me 2 hours. Believe it or not, I had to go out and buy a 3/4 inch deep socket to get that off. It was just not going to come. The ball joint end came off easy with a two-prong puller you see on the ground there. So I went out to my F350 outside and pulled this bolt out like in 10 minutes, not even that, 5 minutes it's out. So we're gonna press this bushing out. So, and put it in. That's the box the bushing came in. So here's the bushing. I'm gonna press that out and press in the new bushing. There, new bushing, happy times. So the next item is this ball joint. I'm a little upset with this. Geez, I only got 10,000 miles on that. And it's junk. Make sure there's no clip in here. Nope. There's no clip. So with any luck, I got the tools to pull that off. Okay guys, my clamp isn't big enough, so I had to cut the bolt off there. There, it's out. It wasn't that bad, but my tool's not big enough, so I improvised and used some other spacers I had. So we'll put the new one in, and with any luck, it'll fit. Yeah, perfect. All right, get some grease that up. We'll press it in. It. Well, everything's done. The track bar's back in. Everything's greased. The track bar's back in. That ball joint's in, and the new bushing is in over here. And then it's greased. So next on the agenda is this tie rod, both these tie rods. Now when this is greased, it's actually, well, nah, still a little bit loose. So anyway, we'll replace those two tie rod ends, and then the this drag link will be changed as well from the pitman arm. It's a little loose there at that tie rod. So a new ball joint, track bars in now, so new bushing there and a new ball joint on the other side. So that's one of a few things I've got to do. And this one item should correct the death wobble. Guys, just to follow up on this track bar repair I did, ball joint and the bushing on the track bar. So we're just going to go out here. There's a particular bridge abutment that sends it crazy. I've done the death wobble on this exit here, so we're just going to run it over that and see if it fixed the issue. I've got a trip down to Vancouver tomorrow morning, so I want to make sure this is right. I hate driving with loose front ends. So this is the exit. This bridge right here. Believe it or not, that would send it into a death wobble. Yeah, no, that's fixed. So I can, I've got about a 9-hour trip tomorrow morning. So I just want to make sure that was fixed. So there you have it, guys. That's just a follow up on this fix I did, and it looks like it worked really good. So I hope you enjoyed that video, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.